In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download TradingView app. By the end, you'll have TradingView running in its own window on your desktop, just like a native app, without needing to visit an app store. This method uses your web browser's built-in Install as App feature, which creates a clean, focused window for TradingView and makes it easier to access. Start by opening a web browser on your PC. A modern browser works best, and the steps I'm about to show you are designed for browsers that place a three-dot menu in the top right corner of the window. Make sure your internet connection is active so pages load quickly. Next, go to the official TradingView website. Type the address carefully in the address bar and press Enter. Wait for the home page to finish loading. You should see the familiar TradingView interface with charts and navigation options. Being on the correct page is important, because the install option only appears when the browser detects a site that can be installed as an app. Now, look to the very top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is the browser menu, not anything inside the website itself. If you're unsure, remember that the browser menu sits alongside your tabs and address bar, while website menus live inside the page. With the menu open, hover your mouse over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Don't click yet, just pause your cursor there. This reveals a small submenu where the browser keeps options related to saving and sharing content, and it's also where the app installation option appears for compatible sites like TradingView. In that submenu, click Install as App. When you select this, the browser prepares TradingView to run in its own streamlined window, without the standard browser tabs and toolbars. This helps you stay focused on your charts and layouts. A small confirmation box will appear. Click Install to confirm. After a moment, TradingView will open in a separate window that looks and feels like a desktop application. Behind the scenes, the browser also adds an entry for TradingView to your system's app list and may create a shortcut, making it easier to access later. That's all it takes. If you don't see the Install as App option, double-check that you're on the main TradingView page and that your browser is up to date. Also make sure you clicked the browser's three-dot menu in the corner of the window, not a menu inside the site. With these quick checks, you'll have the TradingView app experience installed and ready to use.